Good evening, everyone. It is such an honor to be here and to witness an amazing relationship. And this song is entitled Ikaw, which means, for those of you who don't know, it means you. And today you guys just became a team, and you will be looking at one another for the rest of your lives. Good days, bad days, you're in it together. So this song is dedicated to you. Ang bigay ng may kapal, tugon sa aking dasal upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo. Lihok nitong puso ko, wala ni kahati mang saglit na sa'yo'y may papalit, ngayo't kailan may ikaw ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Kung bukas natin dahil may isang ikaw. Bulan ang magpakailanman upang bawat sandali ay upang